As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the hands down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, draw the energy in towards the heart and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out, taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. From here, the arms open out to the side. This hand here floats in front, the other one behind. Coming back to center, turning the other way, clearing the field. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, clearing the field. This time, this hand here presses to the corner, the other hand presses behind. Coming back to center, pressing to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. From here, draw the hands in towards the heart, shift all your weight over to one side and step in. And then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Shift back as you draw in, and then shift forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, and then the arms float up top, crossing the wrists. The arms float down as you circle out and around, crossing the wrists back up top. The princess on the mountaintop. Breathing in, opening the shoulders and chest. Breathing out. One more time, the princess on the mountaintop. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart, shift the weight and step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling all the sensations that you can. Bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, and then as you shift forward, the wrists cross up high. The hands float down as you circle out and around, and then back up top. The princess on the mountaintop. Breathing in, open. Breathing out. One more time. And then step the front foot back in, rounding out the arms as if you're hugging a big tree. Bring it right to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer, and then shift all your weight over to one side and step in. Step out to the corner. As you step out, the arms open, the front knee bends. Then as you shift back, the front knee straightens, cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward and open. We call this the butterfly. Hinging from the hips, keeping the spine nice and long. You don't have to go very low. Cross the wrists and open one more time on this side, the butterfly. Take a bow, flutter the wings. Cross the wrists and open. Step the front foot back in, hug the tree, shift all your weight over and step in. Step out to the other corner, arms open, front knee bends. Then shift back as you cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward and open, the butterfly. It's like we're bowing in gratitude. All right, one more time, the butterfly. Take a bow, spread the wings. Then cross the wrists and open. From here, step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide, they float down by the sides. Then as the arms float up overhead, softening down towards the earth. And then as you rise up, you can keep the feet flat or you can lift the heels, coming on the balls of the feet. Softening down, the arms float up. Rising up, the bird leaves the nest. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, the bird leaves the nest. And then circle in front, hug the tree, the arms open wide. Then this hand here scoops in front, the other one goes to the lower back. The front hand floats all the way up and over and around. The Zen circles. Breathing in, breathing out, opening the shoulder, almost like we're dripping water down the back. Breathing in, breathing out one more time on this side, the Zen circles. And then reverse direction with the front arm floating out to the side, the other arm floats up as well. Then we'll switch side, this hand in front, the other hand behind. Circling up and over just as much as you can comfortably. Breathing. Moving mindfully, feeling all the sensations that you can. Very nice, like we're dipping our hands into the water and letting it drip down the body overhead. One more time, Zen circles. And then reverse direction, both arms float out to the sides. From here, the arms float down by the sides, step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. Then the arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird we call the crane. And you can keep your foot down or you can lift it up, touching down as needed. And then the arms can float up and over just as much as you can comfortably. And then stepping down, other side, the crane. Just the arms at first, breathing in, breathing out. This time you can lift your leg if you like. And then the arms can float up and over. And then stepping down, and then reverse direction with the arms, this time floating all the way up and over. The palms face the body, coming down. Then the palms rotate. The hands float up to shoulder height and down. Breathing in, the arms float up. Breathing out, the hands float down. Rotate the hands, breathing in, breathing out, flowing like water. The arms float up, palms face the body, coming down. Then rotate, the hands float up and down. One more time, flowing like water. Rotating, floating up and down. This time the arms float out to the sides. The arms float down, the backs of the hands face each other, floating up the midline of the body and then drifting out to the sides. The fountain. Breathing in, breathing out, really letting go. How much can you let go as we learn to move like water? Soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. This time the arms float up in front, then the palms face each other and they float down. They brush out to the sides. The backs of the hands face each other, floating up, then the palms face each other as the falcon flaps its wings. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in and out. Nice and easy, nice and slow, taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, the falcon flaps its wings. And then circle in front, hug the tree, and then step the feet together or as close as you can. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here drifts across in front, the other one behind. Coming back to center, gently turning the other way, the flying dragon. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow, gentle rotation. All right, one more time, the flying dragon. And then circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, making two loose fists. One fist goes behind the neck, the other behind the lower back as you gently turn. Coming back to center, turning the other way, drawing sabers. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice gentle rotation. One more time, drawing sabers. And then both arms reach up to the sky, circle in front. Take your time, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, both hands drift over to the side, making two loose fists, circling all the way up and over and around, turning the wheel. And you can stay nice and tall, or for some more challenge, you can soften down towards the earth as the hands come down, coming back up. And then when you're ready, you can reverse direction, turning the wheel. Opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints, building strength and stability. One more time, turning the wheel. And then circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down by the sides, and then making two beaks or two hooks. The hands float out to the sides as you soften down, and then release as you rise back up. Making two beaks, the flying crane. Breathing in, breathing out one more time, the flying crane. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down. This hand here lifts the moon into the sky. The palm faces down as it drifts across. The other hand lifts the moon. Nice gentle rotation, going side to side. One more time, lifting the moon. This time, both hands lift up towards the sky as we gaze at the moon. Switching sides, gentle rotation, palms face up and then down as they drift across. Rotating. One more time, gazing at the moon. And then circle in front, hug the tree. From here, the hands meet each other in front of the heart. As you breathe in, the hands open out to the sides. And as you breathe out, they come back together in front of the heart. Breathing in, open. Breathing out, the heart opening breath. Nice gentle stretch. One more time, the heart opening breath. And then from here, the arms float down, they brush out to the side. The hands float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. And circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen or just down by your sides. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. And you can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly, bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. Your next step is to download your free monthly clickable calendar with daily Tai Chi and Qigong videos. Just click the first link in the video description below to download your free monthly clickable calendar, and I'll see you in the next video.